So you're starting your business, a cleaning business, and you're fresh, you're new, and you have a home run day. I don't know what a home run day is for you in your business, but say it's $500. That's your home run day, right? $500. And you have a $700 day. Woo! I'm on fire. Right? And the next day you have 150, 200. You only might have 3 days worth of work. Only 3 days, because you're starting off, you're fresh, you're new. And you're like, what's going on? Why I'm not making the 500? Why I'm not making the 500 every single day? Remember, you're growing a business. Remember, you're growing a business. You're growing a business. So you have a $500 day. That's great. You have a $150 day. That's great. You have a $200 day. That's great. You may go to $1,000 day, but it's not consistent. But you're growing a business. Don't be scared of moving slow. Be scared of not moving at all, right? Be scared of not moving at all. Slow growth is better than no growth. So you're starting off fresh in the business and you hit a home run 2-3 times and you don't hit a home run anymore, it's fine. Don't beat yourself up. Don't beat yourself up. You're growing a business. Remember that. So stick with it. Keep on going, because every day is not going to be a home run day, but you're building a business. And if you stay with it, right? If you stay with it, those home runs going to be a lot more home runs. So guess what? You're growing a business. Always remember that. You ain't punching a clock.